Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Semester's Java programming playlist. In the previous video, we have discussed about while loop. In this video, we will discuss about the last looping statement available in Java, that is do while loop. Do while loop in Java guarantees code block is executed at least once before its condition is checked. And this is the syntax of do while loop. Do meaning we will execute this block of code. We won't check any condition to execute that block of code. After executing that block of code one time, then the condition is checked. If this condition is true, again we will go back to the body and execute the body. And in the second iteration, we will again check the condition. So until this condition returns false, we will go back and execute the entire code. Once this condition returns false, we will exit the loop. If you have seen how while loop works, while and we place the condition here. If this condition is true, then only we will enter this block. Whereas in do while loop, first we will execute a block and then we check the condition. So while loop is entry controlled loop and do while loop is exit controlled loop. Let's solve a basic scenario using do while loop. Allow user to enter a number until he enters number equal to or less than 0. So first we have to allow a user to enter a number. Based on that, if he enters a number greater than 0, we will again ask him to enter a number. If he enters a number equals to 0 or less than 0, then we should terminate the execution. Let's solve this using do while loop. Do system.out.println, I am using the shortcuts. Enter a number. We will ask user to enter a number. And let's say we are storing in the variable a, and here after this block gets executed, some value what has been entered by the user will get stored in variable a. Now we have to check whether a is greater than or less than 0. Let's say how when this body should get again executed when a is greater than 0. So when a is greater than 0, go and execute this body again. In the second iteration, we will again ask user to enter a number. He will enter a number and we check whether that number is greater than or less than or equals to 0. If suppose this time user entered a number less than 0, then this condition returns false and will execute and will exit this do while loop. In this way, do while loop is used when a block of code should get executed at least once. After executing that, we will check a condition. If that condition returns true, again we execute that block of code, or else we just exit from that block of code. So we have gone through three looping statements available in Java. One basic question arrives in our mind: which loop should be used when? To sort it out, watch out the next video. Thank you.